Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about side hustle ideas for 2024 and I am very excited about this because I found some really good ones. Now I know everything is more expensive now. Groceries are more expensive, rent is more expensive, everything. It's insane. So everybody wants more than one stream of income. Totally makes sense. I personally strive to have at least like 5 to 7 streams of income going at all times. So I was very excited to make this video and discover more side hustles that I didn't know about. So let's get started. The first one is reposting viral Amazon finds videos and gaining commission off of the purchases that people will make. So this is very easy. You can do this from the comfort of your own home. You can do it at night after you're done work. You can do it on the weekends. This is probably the easiest one that I have listed on here. Basically what this is, and you'll find a lot of these different pages on Instagram and on TikTok, is you're taking videos that have already gone viral, videos that have already done very well. They're basically Amazon finds videos, or they can be videos of viral products that are available on Amazon, and you are reposting them on your page. That's it. You're saving them and you're reposting them on your page. And don't forget to credit the creator. At the end of the day, this will also drive traffic to the creator's page. So most of the time they don't mind it. They actually like it because it drives traffic to their videos. And you can have a link in your bio where you earn a commission off of the purchases that people make when they click on those links. So this is something called being an Amazon associate. You can sign up for it. Anybody can sign up for this depending on, whatever country that you live in. And you can earn commissions off of basically anything that they purchase. And the best thing is that they don't necessarily have to purchase the product that you have recommended, because once they click on that link, anywhere from like 12 to 24 hours, if they make any purchase, then you will still earn a commission off of that, because Amazon counts it as you drove that traffic to their website basically. In terms of how much money you can make with this side hustle, so the commission percentage is very little because it's so easy. It's around 3 to 4% in commission, but again, you can make so many sales because these videos can go viral. So you can earn anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s every month, and that is why you will find a lot of influencers always posting about Amazon finds, always posting and linking in their bio. They do this because they earn money off of this. It's another stream of income for them. So you don't have to create content on your own if you're not comfortable getting in front of a camera. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is just repost viral content and credit the creators. All right, next is car advertising, and this one I have heard a lot about, but I've never actually looked into it. So now I did, and it's pretty interesting. So basically what it is companies will pay people to wrap their cars with advertisements and just drive around and do their regular errands that they would normally do. And this is pretty cool because it's pretty passive. You're not really going out of your way to do anything. Your car is just wrapped with advertisement for the company, and individuals can make up to $800 per month for this. So this is a great way to increase your income, even though it's not by that much, but it can still help out a lot. $800 is not a small amount of money, and it's pretty passive. You're not really doing anything extra. It's just as long as you don't mind driving a car around that has some advertisement on. And the $800 per month, by the way, is according to a website called Market Your Car, which I'm pretty sure is where you would get hired for something like this. All right, and third, of course, I have to mention Amazon FBA. This is one of the best ways, in my opinion, to make money 2023 and 2024. There are so many new products that are coming out every week, every month, and they are going viral. And all you have to do is find those products on Alibaba, you put your branding on it, and you sell it on Amazon. You don't carry any of the inventory at home. You send it straight to the Amazon warehouse. All you do is pay a fee, so it's around 40% of your selling price to Amazon. But Amazon is the biggest online marketplace in the world. So if you were going to sell any of these viral products anywhere, it should be the Amazon marketplace. And sellers, there are new sellers joining every single day, every single month. There are over 450,000 sellers. I'm pretty sure the number now is even more. And sellers are making anywhere from $10,000 a month to $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a month. So the possibilities are endless because the marketplace is huge. Even if your profit margins are like 10%, you'll notice that the volume of sales is so big that even with 10%, you still get to take home a good amount of money. So if you're interested to start your Amazon FBA business, you can check out the link in my description box. All right, number 4 is virtual assistant. Now, this is such a great side hustle because there are so many small businesses that are coming out. There are so many individuals that are now self-employed, and a lot of people need help with very small, tedious online tasks. So virtual assistants are in more demand than ever now. You can be a virtual assistant, whether it's on Upwork or on Fiverr, and that's where you would find clients, and you can do, whatever you specialize in. For example, for our business, we hired a virtual assistant to do influencer marketing, which is basically reaching out to influencers through DM on Instagram. And if you're good at keeping up with relationships, if you know how to use Instagram, then you can do this. I mean, it doesn't require too much knowledge when it comes to the social media platform itself. So virtual assistant is a great one, and there are so many other things. You could do email management, you could do scheduling appointments, you could do social media management. So whatever you are good at, you could do data entry. There's so many different options for virtual assistant. All right, and the last one is renting out your car on Turo. So this is something that is new that I have recently discovered. So usually renting out cars is really expensive if you want to rent out a car, but Turo has made it very affordable because they're kind of like the Airbnb for renting out cars. So if you work from home and you don't use your car throughout the week, or if you don't use your car throughout the weekend, whatever it is, you can rent it out for those specific days, and you can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 to, depending on the car that you have, maybe $200 a day, and your weekly earnings can start at $250 a week if you're renting it out for 5 days. So that's not bad. That's an extra $1,000 every single month for, somebody using your car that would otherwise just be parked in your garage. And if you want to take this to the next level and you don't want to do it with your own car, you can actually buy a car that is used, maybe something that is 5 or 6 years old, for a very low price. And even though you're not going to break even for maybe like a year or a year and a half, after that year and year and a half, you're going to be making quite a bit of money just passively for a car that you've already paid off. All right, guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in another video next week. Bye.